Hi there, and thank you for joining us for another episode of FlameStop TV.
We recently added a couple of new redback evacuation warning speakers into our range and thought we would quickly go over some of the benefits and key features to using them.
These newer style flush mount speakers are designed to save on installation time for the installer, whilst providing an aesthetically pleasing finish thanks to the steel mesh grille and narrow rim.
140mm is still the cutout hole size for this model.
This speaker has a removable terminal block to help simplify the cable terminations. It eliminates the need to balance on a ladder holding the speaker and terminating the cables at the same time.
There are no cable glands with these models, streamlining the cable process during installation. It has an integral cable channel in the rear of the housing for easy running of connection cables.
It maintains the low profile design with it being 70mm in depth. Once you take away a 12mm ceiling gap, it only penetrates the above space by 58mm.
The transformer is tappable up to 6 watts and the PA driver is tuned to meet the demands of the Australian fire standards without any additional active equalisation. The steel powder coated grille offers a premium finish and has an ultra thin beveled edge.
The flame retardant safety cover fits onto the speaker, ensuring a neat, sag-free installation. Finally, the speaker will snap fit into the ceiling like the other redback flush mount speakers provided at FlameStop.
The speakers are fitted with a supervisory capacitor for line monitoring and are fully approved to the product standard AS/ISO 7240 Part 24, making them ideal for installations for AS 1670 Part 1 and Part 4.
These speakers have excellent speech intelligibility and a high quality speaker driver developed for background music, paging and critical emergency warning system applications. The main benefit being reduced labour time when installing hundreds of these speakers.
Well, that's all we have for today. Thank you for watching and we'll see you again next time.
Bye for now.